Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Naman Khan, sales officer from Oh My Home Private Limited by Antalib Group. Today I am going to tell you that we are making a community to make things easier for overseas Pakistani in the field of real estate. You will find all services under one roof. If you are an overseas Pakistani and want to invest in Pakistan in real estate, then I recommend you that you do your research and hire reputable professionals to help you through the process. We also deal in sustained real estate projects like DHA Lahore, Lahore Sky, Barrier Sky, Pearl Towers, Casa Serena, Central Housing Scheme, Bismil Housing Scheme, and many more. For more information, our office is located at 16 A Commercial, Palm City, Main Firozpur Road, Lahore, Pakistan.